is up, guys? This video is sponsored by Flashark Racing, where you can get affordable premium aftermarket parts for your ride. So go check them out. The link will be in the description, and you will also have a discount code if you use NC15 at checkout. So today we're gonna put these headers on the Jeep so we can make this bad boy sound loud and mean. I mean, it's only a little 4-cylinder, but it can still be slow and loud. Let's get to it, guys. All right, guys, so as you can see, we've already taken out the fuel injector wiring, the harness, and some wirings over here. We took out the air intake, and we do have to take out the belt and the power steering pump, which is what we're gonna do next. All right, so we're gonna use a 15mm so we can loosen this pulley right here. We're gonna loosen that one, and then up here, we can show you that bad boy right there. Jeez, where is it? All right, so that bad boy right there, we have to loosen it up in order to take the belt out. Okay, so now that the belt is off, we have to take off the power steering pump because it is connected to the intake manifold. And these 3 screws you see right there will be taken out with a 13mm or a 1/2 inch, whichever one you have on hand will work. Alrighty, so now with the power steering pump out of the way, we have a little clearer view. So now next thing we're gonna take out is this fuel rail. You have one, I think it's 15mm there, 110 over there to take out the ground cable, and then 15 in the back, and we can take out the fuel injectors and rail. Alrighty, guys, so this one here on the rail was a 1/2 inch. Then you have a 10mm for the wire to disconnect the wire, the ground wire, and a 1/2 inch holding that one there. Alrighty, guys, so holding the fuel rail was a 1/2 inch bolt. This is the bolt right here. As you can see, this bad boy right there. Take both of those out, take the ground out, and the fuel rail pops right off. Let's get it. Alrighty, guys, so we got out the fuel rail with injectors. As you can see, we're just putting it to the side. We did not disconnect the line. We don't want to have a mess of fuel everywhere, but here we are. Okay, guys, so we are under the vehicle. The next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna disconnect this pipe right here from the axle manifold, and we have to disconnect the O2 sensor. All right, guys, you might want to get you some PB Blaster and spray these bolts because they've been in there for a while. And guys, to my surprise, I've been having a ticking noise on this thing for a while, and look at what I see. There's a broken exhaust stud way down there. That might be part of the ticking. Right, so everything is off. The exhaust manifold, the intake manifold. Guys, that last bolt that holds the exhaust manifold in place is broken inside the head. So I'm gonna have to perform some surgery, get that bad boy out of there, get a new bolt, and then I believe this bad boy won't tick no more. All right, guys, so look, we're going from this ugliness to that beautifulness. Plus, this thing probably weighs like 5 pounds, and this bad boy is pretty heavy. So guys, there it is. Once I fix that stud, we'll put everything back. So guys, as you can see here, that is where that stud is broken, or the bolt is broken in the head. And you can see we definitely had an exhaust leak there. This one here looks like it was leaking a little bit as well, but that one is very bad. It's burnt. So guys, that might have been the ticking after it warmed up. I'll let you guys know once I get all this put back together. So there it is, guys. That last stud right there in the bottom is broken off in the head. Let's get that bad boy out. All right, guys, so the headers and the intake manifold are back on. We still have to connect a few more things like fuel rail connections, intake, and we still have to connect the exhaust at the bottom. But we're getting there. Alrighty guys, we're down to the intake manifold and this bad boy right here. So this is what we're about to connect next. Because if we don't put that on, it's going to be very loud. There it is, guys. We have a little leak at the bottom we got to work on, but everything is on. Look at this. Man, they starting to change color. They look gold. Look at that. Man, they look nice. Gold looking. Sounds very nice too. Yeah. Alrighty guys, the Jeep is done. Headers are installed. We have one more part to install from Flashark Racing. I still got to pick up the tools. But guys, check this out. Flashark Racing headers. I'm going to have the link in the description. I'm also letting you know there's a discount NC15. So you can get 15% discount on anything that you purchase in the store using that code. So guys, my Jeep feels like a race car. I can't go racing because it's slow, but it is loud. So guys, have a blessed one. Stay safe. Hit that like, hit that subscribe. Hit that notification bell so whenever I do load up another video, you guys will be the first ones to see it. So have a blessed one.